Now, here's a romantic scene from Mr. the Enemy that got the whole country talking, and I don't understand. This is just Tenjiwe and OJ. What is surprising about this? Labantu labakade bafuna, and I mean, all know about this thing. So, why would it be a problem now that they are having this moment together? Because this is a normal moment. I mean, I've been covering like real sex scenes, but this one, it's just a moment, and I don't understand why is everyone talking about it, which is why I decided to create a video about it. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, my favorite moment of this whole thing was when uNelly came in. Ebathole eshaweni, ebathola bebhizi laphayana. Angazi ukuthi shuthi these people can't get enough of each other, because why bezowenza lento lobusuku bonke noma kuvina sekusefule and continue. I don't understand. Now, what caught my attention was Nelly's reaction after seeing them in the shower. I was like, what are you doing? So I saw people on social media talking about this, the scene that you're seeing on the screen right now, and they were like, Tenjiwe, seriously. And it looked like a really hot scene. I need to give it to Black Brain Pictures. I think they're really good with these type of scenes. But not so long ago, because I seen balo image yaga Nandi beno solomzi. Because I recently was what a hot scene. Now goes about OJ ngapha no Tenjiwe. But if Black Brain Pictures was supposed to be doing these kinds of scenes, because it looks like everyone in the country loves it. I don't know, guys. I didn't see me nice man. I just saw a romantic moment from two people, and there's nothing surprising about it. I don't know. So comment down in the comment section, share with me about this particular scene, and if you enjoy content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.